after all the effort and time and resources that we've put in to help the folks in Seaside Park and Seaside Heights rebuild, to see this going on, as I said at the top, it's just unthinkable. So I know how I'm feeling. I can only imagine how the residents and business owners in this area are feeling. My heart goes out to them. That's why I'm here, to make sure that every resource is brought to bear to contain this problem.
I'll come find you, and if anybody stops me, I'll tell them that you said that we can come.
You said the school? Just go at the school. Your mom and your dad?
A devastating situation. I'm told some conflicting information, actually, as far as injuries go. The fire chief in Seaside Park told me he understands no injuries. However, I spoke with the police. He said he's right up by the flank. We'll walk.
Get on my back. Wait.
What I saw, first of all, were dozens and dozens of firefighters working like crazy to exhaustion to try to contain this fire. And what you see is what you see right behind us right now. I mean, fire, buildings completely in flame.
Row along the boardwalk, but right along the water, which is interesting. You could